Okay, troubleshooting a standing pilot furnace. First thing I'm going to do is turn the service switch on. Then I'm going to call for heat. Nothing happened. Call for fan on. Nothing happened. So the first thing I'm going to check, because nothing came on, is going to be R and C. That's the secondary side of my transformer. Red wire is my R. The green wire is my C. I have 0 voltage. Next thing I'm going to go to is going to be my primary side. That's 120 volts in, so I'm going to use black wire going into my transformer, and I'm going to use the gas pipe as my neutral. Nothing. Alright, the next thing I'm going to check is coming out of my door switch. So we're going to find the wire that goes to the door switch coming out. That will be the bottom one there. Put it there at the in, the out of my door switch. I have nothing. Now I'm going to check my in. I have 117, so that lets me know that I have voltage going into my door switch, but I don't have anything coming out. So bad door switch.